So what'd you think? What'd you feel?
Oh, that feels lovely. Really nice. I could really feel it opening my lower back.
Oh, I need this bad. That's awesome.
It was very easy. Just by the slightest movements of your arms, you could adjust the level of the platform. It feels fantastic. It's wonderful.
That was amazing. I'm 6'4", I'm 260, and I felt as secure as more secure than I could have imagined.
You're not touching it.
No, yeah, no hands.
So you really, oh, that's kind of cool. Wow. I felt, especially in my lower back, I felt the muscles relax.
I feel the stretch in my back. It even made my knees feel better.
There's absolutely no fear. I mean, at first it's a little intimidating, you're going backwards, but once you realize that you're in control, it's great.
After just that short time, I feel like my spine is longer and I'm standing straighter. There's a lot less pain in my lower back.
Why not use gravity? I mean, this is the ultimate way to stretch it out, and you can do it at your own pace. I'd love to have this in my house.
I've tried other inversion tables and I never felt that secure or comfortable. I could have stayed like that most of the day. That was great.
Do you feel like it would make a difference in your back pain?
Absolutely. I mean, I have to actually get one of these. I have to get a Teeter, there's no doubt about it. I have to.